Karan Thapar from IGL Coatings India, and we are at Active Car Wash, our flagship detailing studio. We've got this big beautiful SUV, the Mercedes ML350, here in for thorough detailing and Kenzo coating. As we know, a thorough detail starts with a very good wash. We detail all the logos. There's some hard water spots on the chrome, on the chrome parts of the car. We're going to do a wheel well detailing as well. We've got a beautiful product called iron for that. And well, that's the first part of it. We're going to take you through a couple of videos to get you accustomed with the whole process of Kenzo coating.